Hello my guys, welcome to another episode. In this episode I have another product review, and in this case, like in the last episode, I ordered some new lights because this is the lights that I told you about. This is the light that has multiple LEDs all the way around. As you can see, this is 9005, but they say that you can change that little O-ring and you can change it to 9006. So this could be 9005 or 9006. 360-degree beam angle. So they say these ones are super bright and you're gonna have light output everywhere, no blind spots like these LEDs that they have cheap LEDs only on both sides. They promise on these ones to be better. So we're about to find out again with the projector and reflector. First, I'm gonna do a test on this one on the projector, then on the reflector. And same thing I'm gonna do with the Boslla, that is the brightest. That one works really good on projector. I'm gonna try that one on both and let's see the result. Also, I'm gonna try my favorite. This is the Synetics. I'm gonna put these ones on and I'm gonna try these ones as well. Let's see which one is the brightest. I have the LED ready. This is the multicolor. Let's see how it looks on the projector. I'm really excited about this one because in the past I've been trying these LEDs and the light output is not great. Let's see if it works good first on the projector. Okay, the light, it looks good on the projector. It doesn't look really bad. The cutout is pretty good in it. So I'm surprised because this LED, it works on this projector. Same LED on reflector now. Okay, the light is not super bright as you can see in camera. It's okay. That's on reflector, so it doesn't look bad, to be honest. I think this one works on this projector and on this reflector. I'm surprised. Okay, now for the test, let's try the Synetic on projector. Yeah, nice cutout. If you can see, I put it everywhere. I don't see a little dot in the middle. That's why I like Synetics too, because they're good, as you can see right there. But if I move it around, you can see a little dot in the middle. Let me see if I can, that's the right way. Just a little dot right in the middle. So yeah, this one doesn't work perfect on projector, but at the same time it's a little bit better than the other ones. Now let's try the same Synetic on reflector. Yeah, light is okay, doesn't look that bad on reflector as well. So Synetic kind of like is doing okay. It's doing a lot better than the cheap LEDs. Okay guys, now Boslla, you can see the cutout is a lot better because it's not really high like the other ones. The first one, the 360-degree LED, you can see a lot of light on top, and you don't want that because you're gonna blind oncoming traffic. Boslla, like I said before, it works perfect on this projector. And the other two, the Synetic and the other 360-degree light, it goes everywhere. This one is more direct. So for projector, Boslla, that's what you need. And now the same Boslla on reflector. Okay, you can see like the other ones, Boslla looks good on reflector too. Last time I think I have a little bit of problem aiming the light. Now that I have more cables and I have the LED more stable, you can see how good it is on the reflector. So overall I think Boslla wins on reflector and projector as well, as you can see. Okay guys, until the end when I put this Boslla, I didn't put the other one because this one is 9005, so the connector is just right for it. But it's the same light output, it's the same LED. So basically you will get the same result. Now, like I said before, these multi LEDs, they say they're super bright, but you can see it's too much light for the projector because the light is way on top. So you're gonna blind oncoming traffic with these ones. Same thing with Synetic. Synetic is good, but you can see a little dot in the middle on the projector, and on the reflector it was just perfect. And Boslla overall, it was really good on projector and on the reflector. And that's why I bring this episode. I purchased those just to show you why it's not really good to have those type of lights, because it's too much light, it goes everywhere, and the light, it was right on top, it was too much. So I'm gonna put right now the three LEDs back to back so you can see. First I'm gonna put that one, second I'm gonna put that one, and third I'm gonna put that one so you can see the difference and how direct and how better this Boslla is. Okay guys, so I'll leave it with that, and I think with this test I confirm what I said before. Get the right LED, and one of the best ones will be this Boslla, because all those lights you can see on reflector and on projector, they're not really good. This is more direct, it's a lot better on both projector and reflector. So I'm gonna leave in the description the link for that Super Pro. Really good, works great when you have to do all types of tests. And I'm gonna put the link in the description for this Boslla bullet LEDs, and the same thing for this Boslla 3-color 4-mode LEDs. I hope you like this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.